Hi all, good morning. Let us continue our lesson chemical reaction and equation. Our next topic is combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Means whenever two or three substances combine to form a single product, then we call it as a combination reaction. Example is like A plus B, which is a product is C. Means A, B are, this is one substance and this is one substance. Finally, you are getting a product that is C. Now, examples of combination reactions are burning of coal and formation of water from H2. See how burning of coal will take place. This is coal C and this is oxygen. When they combine together and burn, it will give a carbon dioxide gas. And next is formation of water from hydrogen. Hydrogen will combine with oxygen and it will give a water. When we are performing combination reaction, a lot of heat will be released. That we call it as an exothermic reaction. Let us perform an activity to see this combination reaction. Let us perform an activity. Aim formation of slack lime by the reaction of calcium oxide with water. Requirements: beaker, calcium oxide, water. Take a beaker, add a small amount of calcium oxide or quicklime and also add water slowly into the beaker and observe carefully what will happen. When we touch the beaker, we observe the change in temperature. Reason: when calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slack lime, that is CaOH. During this reaction, a large amount of heat is evolved. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product of calcium hydroxide. Single product is formed from two or more reactant is known as combination reaction. In this activity, a large amount of heat is released along with the formation of products are called exothermic reaction. One more example is burning of natural gas. Methane reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water. Respiration is also an exothermic process. In respiration process, carbohydrates are broken down to form glucose. Glucose combines with oxygen in the cells of a body and provides energy. The decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. Hope you all understood what is combination reaction. See, now you have to always remember, if lot of it is released, then we call it as an exothermic reaction. Understood? In exam, if they ask you, is it respiration processes dash, what you have to say? You have to say it is an exothermic reaction. Why you say? Because it releases lot of heat. Even what vegetable compost also, since it releases lot of heat, then we call it as an exothermic reaction. Hope you all understood this session. We'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.